One thing with me is I like to share knowledge of everything and anything I know, especially when I feel like it's going to be beneficial to the next person. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make carrot oil from the scratch at home. It is very easy yet very detailed, and by the end of this video, you'll start making it. Hi besties, and welcome back to today's video. Today we're going to be making carrot oil from the scratch, and for that production we're going to be making use of these 2 carrots. My essence of making this video is to teach you and then to experiment how sweet it would be to use carrot oil to fry egg. So first things first, I went ahead to scrape this carrot, which is not compulsory. So if you want to use it for your skin, you can just go ahead to wash it and grate it. I'm not going to be recommending that you should blend this, although while grating, you use the tiniest part of your grater to grate it, alright? So after grating, you guys, this is how my carrot looks, and the next thing I'm going to be doing is fill it inside this bottle, because that's where I'm going to be producing the oil. Like I said earlier, I'm going to be consuming this carrot oil. I'm going to use it to fry egg, right? So I'm going to be making use of groundnut oil as my base for this production, but I also have coconut oil which I can use if actually I want to use it for my skin. So if you want to use it for your skin, ensure to make use of coconut oil, olive oil, or any other oil, but this one I'm going to be making use of it to fry eggs, so I'm making use of my groundnut oil. So I'm going to be putting this inside a boiled hot water and cover it for 30 to 1 hour. It all depends on how you want it, but leave it for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Opening it, this is what we have, and you guys, I just want to stir this to mix everything together. And the next thing is to strain this with your straining cloth or your cheese material, anyone you have. If you have that very tiny filter, you can as well use it. And this is one of the disadvantages of being a solo creator. I paused this video to do something else, and I already did this process not knowing I did not resume recording, so I had to start recording from this part again. So that's why you see particles of carrot oil on my clothes already. So this is me just straining out the oil, and this is our carrot particles, and this is our carrot oil. This is me just turning it into this container where I'm going to be leaving it. Now this process you're seeing in this video is the hot press. I'm going to be shooting how to do the cold press, so ensure you're following this page so you don't miss out when I upload the other one. And if you know you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment for me in the comment section, and please share this video. I love you guys. Bye.